In this lesson, we'll begin by examining what homeostasis is and why it's essential for our survival. Then look at how automatic control systems in the body maintain this stability, explore the concept of negative feedback as the key mechanism behind homeostasis, and finally introduce some examples of homeostatic systems in the human body. Homeostasis comes from Greek words meaning staying the same. It refers to the process of maintaining a stable internal environment within our bodies. The conditions inside your body need to be kept steady, even when the external environment changes. This stability is crucial for survival. Your cells need the right conditions to function properly. This includes the right conditions for enzyme activity, which we've discussed in previous episodes. Homeostasis is all about the regulation of the conditions inside your body. It involves maintaining a stable internal environment in response to changes in both internal and external conditions. Our bodies have several automatic control systems that regulate our internal environment. These include both nervous and hormonal communication systems. For example, there are control systems that maintain your body temperature, blood glucose level, and water content. All your automatic control systems are made up of three main components that work together to maintain a steady condition. The first component is the receptor. Receptors detect stimuli. They monitor levels of substances or conditions in your body. The second component is the coordination center. This receives and processes the information from the receptors, then organizes a response. The third component is the effector. Effectors produce a response that counteracts any change and helps restore the optimum level. Your automatic control systems keep your internal environment stable using a mechanism called negative feedback. When the level of something like water or temperature gets too high or too low, your body uses negative feedback to bring it back to normal. Let's look at how this works when levels are too high. First, the receptor detects the stimulus, that the level is too high. Next, the coordination center receives and processes this information, then organizes a response. Then the effector produces a response which counteracts the change and restores the optimum level. The level decreases. It's important to understand that the effectors will continue producing responses as long as they're stimulated by the coordination center. This might cause the level to become too much in the opposite direction. Luckily, the receptor detects if the level becomes too different and triggers the negative feedback loop again. This process happens without you thinking about it. It's completely automatic. Your body is constantly making these adjustments to maintain homeostasis. Examples of homeostatic systems in the human body include regulation of body temperature, blood glucose levels, and water content. We'll explore each of these systems in detail in upcoming episodes, looking at the specific receptors, coordination centers, and effectors involved. In our next episode, we'll take a closer look at the nervous system, one of the key systems involved in homeostatic control.